Without accurate repair information, even small mistakes can lead to higher costs, longer repair times, and potential safety risks. ALLDATA DIY provides the same comprehensive information as our professional ALLDATA repair product. See how you can take advantage of pro-level information at DIY-level pricing with this comprehensive demo. Upon logging in, select the DIY tile. If you have one vehicle subscription, you will see only one vehicle. If you have multiple vehicle subscriptions, you can select which vehicle at this step. Once your vehicle is selected, the main dashboard displays sections for popular information, system components, and information. The Popular Information tab offers quick access to high-demand data, such as diagnostic trouble codes, technical service bulletins, and wiring diagrams. DTCs are organized by code type. Save time and use the search bar to find your DTC. Selecting the DTC provides comprehensive information regarding your code. TSBs are listed with the most recent entries at the top, including release dates and descriptions. This gives you all the up-to-date manufacturer recall information for your vehicle, helping you make the most informed decision on your vehicle's repair and maintenance. ALLDATA DIY features both original equipment wiring diagrams and interactive color-coded wiring diagrams. The interactive diagrams allow you to lay out multiple pages horizontally for a continuous view. Users can click on a specific wire to highlight it across all pages, or use the Hide Wires feature to isolate the circuit they are working on. A built-in search function allows for finding specific sensors, relays, or fuses within the diagram instantly. Maintenance schedules help you prevent problems before they start. There are a few different ways you can view this information. You can check what needs to be done by mileage, or view a table showing all services with their recommended actions and intervals. The Information tab provides additional useful features, such as Specifications Quick Reference. Use this for quick access to the repair specifications you need, including brakes, chassis, engine, fluids, and reset procedures. The search bar can be used to find specific components. Let's use a water pump as an example. The results provide linked data for parts and labor. Use parts and labor to help you plan a job scope. ALLDATA DIY offers the same parts and labor information as our professional product, giving you an easy gauge for how long and how much a job can cost. Plus, keep a lookout for part numbers to eliminate any second guessing about which exact part you need. Detailed service and repair procedures are also provided, often featuring manufacturer-specific images and step-by-step removal and replacement instructions. A bookmark feature allows users to save specific pages or procedures for easy reference later. Making the right repair decisions relies on the right repair information. Trust ALLDATA DIY to be the pro-level source you need to get your car repairs done the right way.